Need to identify active TikTok users from large phone number lists? TikTok Active helps detect TikTok accounts with active and queryable status, allowing businesses to focus on real users and improve audience targeting efficiency. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available account checking products. Click Get Started to create an account or sign into the platform. Before using the service, make sure your account has sufficient credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Return to the product list. Under the Social category, locate TikTok Active and click Buy Now. Select the target country or region that matches your phone number list. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing phone numbers. One phone number per line is recommended. Click Start Detection to begin checking active TikTok accounts. After processing is completed, review the checking results on the Results page. The results show phone numbers identified with active and queryable TikTok account status when available. Click Download to save the complete results file. After downloading the report, you can open the file to review the detailed results in a table format. The report includes phone numbers, checking status, result fields, and other available TikTok account information depending on the selected product. The exported file contains phone numbers identified with active TikTok account status when available. The results can be used for audience targeting, customer acquisition, lead qualification, and TikTok marketing preparation. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more NumberCheck tutorials and account checking guides. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking active TikTok accounts today.